On many late model vehicles, the emergency brake, well, it's inside the hat of the rotor. This is essentially a drum. And if you were servicing a drum brake, would you just service the drum and not service the shoes? This is what you're doing by just replacing the rear rotor and not addressing issues with the emergency brake shoes. This can happen a lot, especially on vehicles over 80 or 100,000 miles. Chances are that shoe has worn to the original brake rotor drum and hat assembly. So you need to address this. This could either be new brake shoes for the emergency brake, or it's also hardware and maybe even a backing plate. For some parking brake systems, you can actually order a whole new assembly or a whole new backing plate with all the hardware and the shoe attached. This way, it's a bolt-on assembly. You don't have to think about it, and you restore the rear brake system to like new condition. So you might be tempted just to replace the rotor, but it's critical that you address the parking brake or emergency brake on these vehicles that's inside the hat of the rotor. This way, when the customer pulls away, the brake system in the rear is fully functional. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.